Hello students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 2 from part 2 Secretarial Practice Transfer and Transmission of Share. Introduction of this chapter. Partnership firm came into existence due to limitations of sole proprietorship, and limitations of partnership firm have given birth to company formation. When partners separate in a partnership firm, the procedure is long and complex. In a company, no such procedure is required. In a public company, if the shareholder sells his share, his ownership ends. Shares can be freely sold or purchased just like any product. Free transferability of share is an important characteristic of a company. Not only that, if a person wants to purchase shares of the same company, again he can purchase the share and he can be owner of that portion. This right is absolute right which cannot be prohibited by the company. A shareholder can voluntarily transfer his share as per provisions of the Companies Act. Moreover, when shares are compulsorily transferred by operation of law, then such transfer of share is called transmission of share. In this chapter, we will learn about share transfer and transmission. Meaning of share transfer. In a general sense, share transfer is the act in which a shareholder voluntarily sells his share to another, waiving his right to ownership and transferring the title of share in the name of the other. Waiving means refrain from insisting on or using a right or claim. Definition. When a shareholder, in anticipation of approval by company, voluntarily waives his title, ownership right of shares in favor of other person or persons, and when there is a transfer of title ownership to the shares, it is called transfer of shares. Anticipation means the action of anticipating something, expectation or prediction. When a shareholder sells his own share to others or waives his right, then his ownership or membership is over, and the person who has purchased obtains membership or ownership. Here, one thing should be noted that this procedure is treated to be complete only when transfer is approved by the company. Importance of share transfer. Share transfer is an important procedure. Shareholders use their right to transfer shares with the consent of the company. Share is a part of capital of a company. It is a financial interest of a shareholder. It is a movable asset for shareholders. Shareholder has a right to sell, right to gift, and right to lease his shares. For this, Lord Blackburn has said, main objective to start a joint stock company is to provide easy transfer of shares to their members. Purchase and sales of share is conducted in the share market. This is a source of capital, so it is known as the barometer of the development of a country. Number 1. Share transfer generates income for the government. Share transfers leads to increase in the government's income because the government has imposed tax on it. Number 2. Shareholders get cash on sale of shares. Number 3. Purchaser of shares gets right of ownership. Number 4, shareholder is able to get benefit of market variation. Number 5, invested funds of inefficient units flow to efficient units. Number 6, share market and capital market grow as a result of share transfer. 7th, free share transfer leads to an increased span and scope of the development of a company. Provisions for transfer is specified in the Articles of Association. Sometimes there may be restrictions in private company, but the right of a shareholder cannot be taken away by imposing prohibition on it. A member can, when he wishes, sell or gift his share to others. Thank you.